भज गोविंदम। आचार्य श्री शंकराचार्य जी का महामोह मुद्गल स्तोत्र, संस्कृत और इंग्लिश में। भज गोविंदम। भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम, गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते, संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले, नहीं नहीं रक्षति डुकृंकरणे। वर्शिप गोविंदा, वर्शिप गोविंदा, वर्शिप गोविंदा। ओ फूल, rules of grammar will not save you at the time of your death. मूढ़ जहि धनागम तृष्णाम, कुरु सद्बुद्धिम मनसि वितृष्णाम, यलभसे निज कर्मोपातम, वित्तं तेन विनोदय चित्तम। O fool, give up your thirst to amass wealth, devote your mind to thoughts, to the real, be content with what comes through action already performed in the past. नारी स्तन भरनाभि देशम, दृष्ट्वा मागा मोहावेशम, इतन्माश वशादि विकारम, मनसि विचिन्तय वारं वारं। Do not get drowned in delusion by going wild with fashions and lust, by seeing a woman's navel and chest. These are nothing but a modification of flesh. Fail not to remember this again and again in your mind. नलिनी दलगत जलमति तरलम, तद्वज्जीवितमतिशय चपलम, विधि व्याध्यभिमान ग्रस्तम, लोकम शोकहतम च समस्तम। The life of a person is as uncertain as raindrops trembling on a lotus leaf. Know that the whole world remains a prey to disease, ego and grief. यावद वित्तोपार्जन सक्त, तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः, पश्चात् जीवति जर्जर देहे, वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे। So long as a man is fit and able to support his family, see what affection all those around him show, but no one at home cares to even have a word with him when his body totters due to old age. यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे, तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे, गतवति वायौ देहापाये, भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये। When one of alive, his family members inquire kindly about his welfare, but when the soul departs from the body, even his wife runs away in fear of the corpse. बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः, तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीशक्तः, वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्ताशक्तः, परिब्रह्मणि कोऽपि नासक्तः। The childhood is lost by attachment to playfulness. Youth is lost by attachment to women. Old age passes away by thinking over many things, but there is hardly anyone who wants to be lost in Parbrahm. Kahate kanta kaste putrah, संसारोऽयं तीव विचित्रः, कस्य त्वं कः कुत आयातः, तत्त्वं चिन्तय तदिह भ्राता। Who is your wife? Who is your son? Strange in this sansar. The word samsar. The word of whom are you? From where have you come, brother? Ponder over these truths. Satsangatve nissangatvam, nissangatve nirmohatvam, nirmohatve nischaltatvam, nischaltatve jivan mukti. From satsanga, company of good people, comes non-attachment. From non-attachment comes freedom from delusion, which leads to self-settledness. From self-settledness comes जीवन मुक्ति. वयसि गते कः काम विकारः, शुष्के नीरे कः कासारः, क्षीणे वित्ते कः परिवारः, ज्ञाते तत्त्वे कः संसारा. What good is lust when youth has fled? What good is lust when youth has fled? What use is a lake which has no water? Where are the relatives when wealth is gone? Where is sansar, the world, when the truth is known? मा कुरु धन जन यौवन गर्वं, हरति निमेषात् कालः सर्वं, मायामयम् इदमखिलं हित्वा, ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविश विदित्वा. Do not boast of wealth, friends and youth. Each one of these are destroyed within a minute by time. Free yourself from the illusion of the world of Maya and attain the timeless truth. दिनयामिन्यौ सायं प्रातः, शिशिरवसन्तौ पुनरायातः, कालः क्रीडति गच्छत्यायु, तदपि न मुञ्चत्याशा वायुः. Daylight and darkness, dusk and dawn, winter and springtime come and go. Time plays and life ebbs away, but the storm of desire never leaves. काते कांता धनगत चिंता, बातुल किम तौ नास्ति नियंता, त्रिजगति सज्जन संगति रेका, भवति भवार्णवतरणी नौका. Oh madman, why this engrossment in thoughts of wealth? Is there no one to guide you? There is only one thing in 3 words that can save you from the ocean of shame, sansara. Get into the boat of satsanga, company of good people, quickly. द्वादश मञ्जरिकाभिर्शेषः, कथितो वैयाकरणस्यैषः, उपदेशो भूद्विद्यानिपुणैः, श्रीमच्छङ्कर भगवच्चरणैः. This bucket of 12 verses was imparted to a grammarian by the all-knowing Sankara, adored as the Bhagavad Pada. The following 14 form Chaturdasham Manjarika. Stanza below 2 attributed to पद्मपदा पद्मपद। जटिलो मुण्डीलुञ्चित केशः काषायाम्बर बहुकृतवेषः पश्यन्नपि च न पश्यति मूढो युदरनिमित्तं बहुकृतवेषः। There are many who go with matted locks, many who have clean seven heads। सेवन की स्पेलिंग यहाँ SHAVEN है। Many whose hairs have been plucked out, some are clothed in orange, yet others is various colors, all just for a livelihood, seeing truth revealed before them, still the foolish ones see it not। Stanza attributed to टकाचार्य। अंगम गलितं पलितं मुंडम दशनविहीनं जातं तुंडम वृद्धो याति गृहीत्वा दंडम तदपि न मुञ्चत्यासा पिंडम। Strength has left the old man's body, his head has become bald, his gums toothless and leaning on crutches। Even then the attachment is strong and he clings firmly to fruitless desires। Stanza attributed to हस्तामलका। अग्रे वह्निः पृष्ठे भानुः रात्रौ चुबुक समर्पित जानुः करतलभेक्षस्तरुतलवासः तदपि न मुञ्चत्याशापाशः। Behold, there lies the man who sits warming up his body with the fire in front and the sun at the back। At night we curls up the body to keep out of the cold। He eats his beggar's food from the bowl of his hand and sleeps beneath the tree। Still in his heart he is a wretched है WRETCHED। He is a wretched puppet at the hands of fashions। Stanza attributed to Subodha। कुरुते गंगा सागर गमनम व्रत परिपालनम अथवा दानम ज्ञान विहीना सर्वमतेन मुक्तिम न भजति जन्म सतेन। One may go to Ganga Sagar, observe fasts and give away riches in charity, yet devoid of jnana nothing can give mukti even at the end of 100 words। Stanza attributed to Vartikakara सुरेश्वरा। सुरमंदिर तरुमूल निवासः शय्याभूतलमजिनं वासः सर्वपरे ग्रहभोगत्यागः कस्य सुखं न करोति विरागः। Take your residence in a temple or below a tree, wear the deer skin for the dress and sleep with Mother Earth as your bed। Give up all attachment and renounce all comforts. Blessed with such vairagya, vairagya. Could any fail to be content? Stanza attributed to Nityananda. योग रतो वा भोग रतो वा संग रतो वा संग विहीनः यस्य ब्रह्मणि रमते चित्तं नंदति नंदति नंदत्येव. One may take delight in yoga or bhoga, may have attachment or detachment, but only the whose mind steadily delights in Brahman enjoys bliss, no one else. Stanza attributed to Anandagiri. भगवद गीता किंचिद धीता गंगा जल लौकणिका पीता शक्रदप्येन मुरारि समर्चा क्रियते तस्य यमेन न चर्चा. Let a man read but a little from Bhagavad Gita. Drink just a drop of water from the Gangas. Worship but once Murari. He then will have no altercation with Yama. Stanza attributed to Dridha Bhakti. पुनरपि जननम पुनरपि मरणम पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम ये संसारे बहु दुस्तारे कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे. Born again, death again, again to stay in the mother's womb. It is indeed hard to cross this boundless ocean of samsara. Oh Murari, redeem me through thy mercy. Stanza attributed to Nityantha. रथ्याचरपट विरचित कंथः पुण्या पुण्य विवर्जित पंथः योगी योग नियोजित चित्तो रमते बालोन्मत्तव देव. There is no shortage of clothing for a monk so long as there are rags cast off the road, freed from vices and virtues. Onward he wanders, one who lives in communion with God enjoys bliss, pure and uncontaminated, like a child, and as an intoxicated. Stanza attributed to Yogananda. कस्त्वं को हम कुत आयातः कामे जननी को मे तातः इति परिभावय सर्वं सारं विश्वं त्यक्त्वा स्वप्न विचारम. Who are you? Who am I? From where do I come? Who is my mother? Who is my father? Ponder thus, looked at everything as essenceless and give up the world as the idle dream. Stanza attributed to Surendra. त्वयि मयि चान्यत्रैको विष्णु व्यर्थं कुप्यसि मयि सहिष्णु बहुशं चित्तः सर्वत्र त्वं वाञ्छस्य चिराद्यदि विष्णुत्वम्. In me, in you, and in everything, none but the same Vishnu dwells. Your anger and impatience is meaningless if you wish to attain the status of Vishnu. Have Sambhava, equanimity always. Stanza attributed to Medathira. मेधातिथिरा। शत्रौ मित्रे पुत्रे बन्धौ मा कुरु यत्नं विग्रहसन्धौ सर्वस्मिन्नपि पश्यात्मानं सर्वतोत्सृज भेदाज्ञानं। Waste not your efforts to win the love of or to fight against friend and foe, children and relatives. See yourself in everyone and give up all feelings of duality completely. कामं क्रोधं लोभं मोहं त्यक्त्वात्मानं भावैकोऽहम् आत्मविहीना मूढ़ा आत्मज्ञानविहीना मूढ़ा स्ते पच्यन्ते नरकनिगूढ़ा ते पच्यन्ते नरकनिगूढ़ा। Give up lust, anger, infatuation and greed. Ponder over your real nature. Fools are they who are blind to the self. Cast into hell, they suffer there endlessly. Stanza attributed to Sumati. गेयं गीतानां सहस्रं ध्येयं श्रीपतिरूपमजस्रं नेयं सज्जनसङ्गे चित्तं देयं दीनजनाय च वित्तम्। Regularly recite from the Gita. Meditate on Vishnu in your heart and chant his 1,000 glories. Take delight to be with the noble and the holy. Distribute your wealth in charity to the poor and the needy. Stanza attributed to Sumati. सुखतः क्रियते रामः भोगा सुखतः क्रियते रामः भोगः पश्चादन्तशरीरे रोगः यद्यपि लोके मरणं शरणं तदपि न मुञ्चति पापाचरणं। He who yields to lust for pleasure leaves his body a prey to disease. Though death bring to end to everything, man does not give up the sinful path. अर्थमनर्थं भावै नित्यं नास्ति ततः सुखलेशः सत्यं पुत्रादपि धनभाजां भीतिः सर्वत्रैसा विहिता रीतिः। Wealth is not welfare, truly there is no joy in it. Reflect thus at all times. A rich man fears even his own son. This is the way of wealth everywhere. Pranayamam pratyaharam nityanitya vivek vicharam japya samet samadhi vidhanam kurvavadhanam mahadvadhanam. Regulate the regulate the pranas. Life forces remain unaffected by external influence and discriminate between the real and the fleeting. Chant the holy name of God and silence the turbulent mind. Perform these with care, with extreme care. Guru Charanambhuj nirbhar bhakta sansarad chirad bhavmukta shendriya manas niyama devam drakshasi nij hridayastham devam. O devotee of the lotus feet of the Guru, may thou be soon free from samsara. Through disciplined senses and controlled mind, thou shalt come to experience the indwelling Lord of heart. The following two are not found in standard text of Bhaj Govindam. Mudha kaschan vayyakarno dumkrang karnadhyayan dhurinaha Srimad-Shankar Bhagavad Shishir bodhit ashichodhit karnaha. Thus a silly grammarian lost in rules, cleansed of his narrow vision and shown the light by Sankaraj apostles. Bhaj Govindam, Govindam Bhaj Moodhamate. Nam Smaranadam Anya Upayam. नामस्मरणाद अन्यमुपायम नहीं पश्यामि भवाब्धि तरणे. वर्शिप गोविंदा, वर्शिप गोविंदा, वर्शिप गोविंदा. ओह फूल. Other than chanting the Lord's names, there is no other way to cross the life's ocean. कुछ मीनिंग दी गई हैं. जो भी गलतियाँ हों इंग्लिश में संस्कृत में उसे क्षमा करिएगा. गोविंदम गोविंदा. मूढ़मते ओ फुलिश माइंड. संप्राप्ते व्हेन यू हैव रीच्ड अथवा ऑब्टेन्ड. सन्निहिते इन द प्रेजेंस अथवा नियरनेस ऑफ. काले मीन्स टाइम. हियर लॉर्ड ऑफ डेथ यमा. नहीं मीन्स नो, नेवर. रक्षति प्रोटेक्ट्स. डुंक्रिंग करने. द ग्रामेटिकल फॉर्मूला डुंक्रिंग करने. मूढ़ मीन्स ओह फूल. जहीहा लीव अर्थात गिव अप हियर इन दिस वर्ड. धन मीन्स वेल्थ. आगम मीन्स कमिंग या अराइवल. तृष्णाम मीन्स थर्स्ट या डिजायर. कुरु मीन्स डू इट, डू एक्ट, डू एक्ट. कुरु डू अथवा एक्ट. सद्बुद्धिम, सद्बुद्धिम अथवा गुड प्लस ग्वारनेस अथवा लूजली स्पीक माइंड. लूजली स्पीकिंग माइंड. मनसी मीन्स इन द माइंड. वितृष्णाम अर्थात डिजायरलेसनेस. यल्लभसे यथ प्लस लभसे अर्थात वाट एवर प्लस यू ऑफ्टेन. निष्कर्म निज कर्मा. वंस प्लस ड्यूटी नॉर्मल वर्क. उपात्त ऑफ्टेन. वित्तम वेल्थ. तेन बाय दैट अर्थात विद दैट. विनोदय डाइवर्ट. रिक्रिएट या वी हैप्पी. चित्तम माइंड. नारी वोमेन. स्तनभर. ब्रेड्स दैट आर फुल विथ मिल्क. नाभिदेशम अर्थात नेवल प्लस रीजन कंट्री. दृष्टवा हैविंग सीन. मागा अर्थात डोंट गो. मोहावेशम मीन्स इन्फेटुएटेड स्टेट अर्थात मोहा आवेशम सेज्योर. त्वदीयं वस्तु गोविंदम तुभ्यमेव समर्पयेत्. जो भी गलतियाँ हों इंग्लिश में संस्कृत में क्षमा करिएगा. राधे राधे.